Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by exposing the screw and establishing a solid grip. Use the correctly sized driver so the tip seats fully in the head. This prevents cam out and rounding. If threads look corroded, apply penetrating oil and wait 5–10 minutes so the solvent works into the threads. Once done, stabilize the workpiece with a clamp to prevent twisting and position your body to apply steady, even torque. You're setting up torque, alignment, and lubrication to force the screw to turn rather than shear. You proceed to free a stuck screw by breaking surface bonds using impact and heat tactically. First, tap the driver into the head to jar rust loose. This often breaks initial adhesion. If that fails, apply heat carefully, up to about 200 degrees C, using a soldering iron or heat gun to expand surrounding metal and loosen threads. Make sure nearby materials tolerate heat. Once heated or jarred, use an impact driver or locking pliers to deliver controlled left turn force. These methods change friction, not brute force, to avoid snapping the screw. You finish by extracting and restoring the joint so it won't fail again. If the screw snaps, drill a centered pilot hole and use a left-hand extractor to bite and remove the stub. Drill progressively smaller bits until the extractor holds. Once removed, clean or retap threads to restore mating surfaces and apply anti-seize or thread locker based on application. Replace with the correct size and material screw and torque to the recommended spec. Troubleshooting tip: if extractor slips, back off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.